Yes, sir. Lord, I'm here downtown. Yes, sir. Uh-huh. I'm finna go check. I'm gonna go check for you. Lord. Yeah, I'm checking. Y'all ain't got the special no more. Y'all ain't got the 8 pieces for $9.99 special no more. Dang. Now the special over with. Yes, sir. Well, come on down anyway. Now the special over with. They got 6 spicy wings. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm down here. We waiting. Yeah. Okay. Yes, sir. Oh, no. I'm on the one downtown. I'm at the one downtown. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. I'm saving some spots up north, up front for you, cause I checked around the back, and I say 2 spots up here. I'm in the front. I'm gonna try to stand into them till you get here. But everything clear, cause ain't no gangs and nothing down here now. Cause they across the street. So when the Secret Service pull up, we gonna you're gonna be straight. You come and get your chicken. But I really want to ask you about them stimulus checks. Yeah. Uh-huh. I'm at. Yes, sir. Yo, Donald Trump on the way down here. Donald Trump on the way to Jackson. Donald Trump on the way here. We trying to get stimulus check. I'm getting, yes, sir. I'm gonna sign up for him. You don't want no stimulus check? I'm getting mine. I'm getting my stimulus check. I bet we get one. I'm getting my stimulus. Yes, sir. No, she said she don't want no stimulus check. I'll get hers. All right, I'll be right here. Yeah, the wing's fine. Okay, bet.